old part.
This is old. This is old. This is the 4 floors. Old part. This is where the ghosts are.
But he's told us the new part.
This is old. That part is new. This is old. So this is Driscoll. Oh, this is different guy. This is Mr. Driscoll.
A ghost.
Yeah? That's Mr. Driscoll, isn't it? Oh, you don't know? I'm sorry. I'm going up. I'm still going up. Let's go.
It's exciting.
It's very exciting.
Yeah, I know. It's old.
Don't
No. Bad.
Bal. This is pretty. Is this real? It's not. It's not. It's beautiful. Gina! 251. This is old. She died in 525.
525.
This is beautiful.
Looking
Very hot. It's cold and then hot. Tahoes are everywhere.
looking for the 525.
No. Shit. Okay. Ready?
Jesus. You ready?
No. No, 525, 5th floor. This is 2. This is playing cards.
This is the dancing place.
No, this is just a regular hallway. That's pretty, very pretty.
Oh my god. It's very old.
Very beautiful. Isn't it? Jim Hogg. What? A piano? Yes. Maximilian room. Jim Hogg room. This is beautiful. Heritage suite. Heritage suite. There. Chick.
So where is 525?
There you go. 5th floor, sweetie. This is pretty. You want to go on the 5th floor? This is huge. Elevator? I wouldn't go there. Gina, I don't want to get stuck in one of the old elevators. I hope it works, but I think it will. Should we go?
No, it's very
How beautiful.
Okay. I'm scared.
I heard something. Did you hear it?
I don't care. Oh! Oh.
Smells.
I don't know.
Are we going or no?